Hello. Hi, good morning, Sunita and Leela. Hope you guys doing well and good. Shall we start today's session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's. Okay, thank you, Sunita. Uh, let's. In the meantime, the Leela will join. Okay. In today's session, our objective is material listing and exclusion. We'll try to cover this one. Then, if time allows us, we'll try to see what is material determination. Here, determination. Furthermore, if time allows us, we will try to see also. Yesterday, you have certain doubts, right? We'll see free goods determination again. Now, what is material determination? Okay, sorry, what is listing and exclusion? Let me keep it in a simple. For example, for certain customers, we would like to enter certain only materials, then materials only. If I go to the listing condition, if I maintain certain material against this customer, those materials only we shall be able to sell it. That is listing. For this, we have to maintain the condition record, which is VB01 for a create mode, VB02 for the change mode, and VB03 for display mode. If we maintain this listing condition, okay, means for this customer, we shall be able to sell only that material. Here, listing condition type A001. Let's let's assume. Okay, allow me to log into the system. Are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So let me log into the system once. Okay, let me try another one. Let's see certain customers, which is VCOST, enter for this sales organization CX01, execute. Here we have these many customers. I'll select customer Divya 917. This is the customer. Now, for this customer, we shall be able to sell only the material. Let me check the material list. MM60 for the plant, execute. We have these materials. Let's assume for 917 customer, will be selling only Nivea. Okay. The rest materials, I'll copy this material, ZX01 material. Now, for this customer, this is the material. In order to maintain the condition record, we have this transaction code, which is VP01 for a create mode. To maintain the condition, we have condition type A001. Let's go to the transaction code VP01. VP01, enter. Listing exclusion type means we need to maintain the condition record. If I click onto this radio button, continue, we have two conditions. Sorry, we have multiple conditions here. We can see 4 conditions. For listing, we can go for condition type A001, means items are included. We have one more condition. We'll come to this condition at later, but let's continue with the listing condition. A001, enter, customer and material. Continue. We have customer 9000917, and we have, for this customer, we'll be selling only this material, and this is the list. For this customer, this is the list. Enter and save it. With this, we have maintained a condition record. If I try to create a sales order for this customer, /n VA01, order type OR, sales organization, distribution channel, division. Continue. Customer 9000917. Okay. Now, here we have multiple materials. Instead of this item, if I try to sell, if customer makes a request or places an order for this item, which is Dow, let's maintain and try to maintain the quantity. Enter it. So we got a message here. If I click onto this message, we can see material Dow is not listed and therefore not allowed. Means this material is not saleable for this customer. If we include this material into the condition record which we have maintained here in VP01, listing condition A001, then we shall be able to sell this item to the customer. Let's close this window. I'll remove this item and I'll make this item. Enter. Now the system didn't throw any warning, neither warning nor error. Why? The reason behind is this is included into the listing condition. Enter. If I try to save this, okay, let's ignore this error. We are getting this some technical issues. I hope you are able to follow what exactly listing is. If you have any doubts, you are requested to please ask. Okay, let's move on. Here, if I add one more material into the listing item, I'll go to the change mode, /n VP02, enter, condition A001, customer and material, continue. This is the customer, this is the material, execute. If you want to add some more materials to this customer into the condition listing A001, we can add up here. We can sell this item also to the customer. It's included into the listing condition. Enter and save it. Condition has been saved. If I try to create an order VA01, order type OR, customer. Okay, these two materials have been maintained with the condition records, listing conditions. Other than this, if I maintain into order this material, moto, enter quantity 1. So this material is not defined. Okay. Let's check another material. RX 100, copy, enter. without the message, this material is not listed into the conditions. Therefore, we shall not be able to sell this item to the customer. Any doubts, Sunita, Leela?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Moving further, we have one more condition, which is exclusion. Means here, if we include certain items, those items only we shall be able to sell to the customer. Now we have one more condition, exclusion. Exclusion condition. Exclusion condition type, which is B001. Let's take another customer. Let's take a customer with 9123. Then let's take material GH01 dot. Okay. For this customer 912, this material is excluded. Means apart from this material, we can sell any material. We can sell all the materials, but this material is excluded. If I maintain the condition record, same transaction code VB01, condition type B001. For this customer, this material is not saleable. Let's maintain the condition record. /n VP01. Click onto this. We need to maintain the exclusion condition. Okay. Click onto this box. Let's select the condition exclusion B001. Double click on this. Enter it. For this customer, not 917, 912. See, this material dove is excluded. Will not be selling for this customer this item. Enter it and save it. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll try to create an order. /n BA01. Order type or continue. Let's maintain the customer 912. Enter. I'll click onto this item over here. Same, both are same. Okay. I'll click onto this item overview. I'll try to maintain the materials. I'll copy certain materials. All this 4. Copy. Quantity 1, 1, 1, 1. I'll maintain towel. Quantity 1. Enter it. Again enter. Continue. Look. All materials system has accepted 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 materials have accepted except this last item, which is dove. Material dove has been excluded. So this material will not be saleable for this customer. How is it determined? This is due to the condition record that we maintain for the exclusion type B001 via transaction code VB01. Let's remove this material, delete it, again enter. So only these materials are sellable. Hope we are able to follow the listing condition and exclusion condition. If you have any doubts, Sunita or Leela, please do not hesitate.
No doubts, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, moving further, what is material determination? Material determination. Let's assume we have a material into the market which is already existing. Okay. Now, due to some XYZ reason, this material as a manufacturer we have upgraded. Okay. Let me give you an example. Do you know Vodafone mobile network, telecom network?
Yes, sir.
Earlier, this was a single entity. Then Idea, also telecom network, which is for a single entity. Now, due to some XYZ reason, this both are collaborated. So earlier, this was a single network, and this is a single network. Now, if you notice here, this both has been uh, collaborated, and they have only one name, which is upgraded VI. I'll give you one more example. Uh, Basically, in the market, the product is same, but it has been upgraded from old version to new version. So whenever if I make into the system Vodafone system, what will do? It will automatically replace new code for that item. Can you give me an example? Certain product items which has been upgraded into the market. Okay, let's proceed with this. Earlier, this both were single. Now we have the new item which is called as VI, Vodafone, and Idea Network. Here in this material detection, what will happen is if any system, if we maintained old material code, system will automatically replace with the new material code. I'll give you an example. If we have some materials, those materials are obsoleted. We are not selling anymore. For that product, we have another new code. So the system will automatically replace. That is material determination. For this, we have transaction code VP and 1. Okay. And condition type, let me check. Let's try to create, let's try to maintain the condition record for material determination /n VP and 1. VP and 1 is, sorry, VP11 /n VP11, sorry for this. Okay, create material determination. We have transaction code VP11 for create mode, VP12 for change mode, and VP13 for display mode. If I click onto this video button, material determination type is A001. Condition type A001. Give me a second, please. Sorry. Condition type A001. Let's make quickly certain material MM01 with 01 Okay. Material type, quote, continue, basic data, sales data, purchase data, purchase order test, MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. It's optional. Purchasing data, purchase order. Either we can skip or we can include that. No problem. Let's go with general plant data, accounting, and costing. Continue. Maintain the plant, storage location, sales option, distribution channel. Continue. Enter, enter, enter. Thanks. Enter, enter. Availability check, 01. Transportation group, loading group, enter, 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 enter. Maintain the valuation class, 19 rupees, enter, enter, enter. Save it. Now we have one material code. This is the material. Let's assume this material is obsolete or old code. I'll make one more material code, which is VI. If any of our representative in our company, if anybody makes this, maintains this material code, the system will automatically replace with a new code. Old code, new code. Let me create a new one, another one. V01 VI. And now not counting. Continue. VI telecom. Save it. Now we have two codes. Let's assume this is the old code and this is the new code. What material detention does is, if we maintain a condition where transaction code VB11 with condition type material detention A001, this is the old code. By mistake, if we maintain this code into the sales order, this will automatically replace with the new code. Let's maintain the condition type, material determination condition, VP11, fashion VP11, enter, material type A001. If I click onto this radio box, enter, here. Let's maintain material, enter, CL01, V4. Okay, this, if somebody maintain this material, which is old code, this will be replaced with new code, which is VX01 PI. Old material code, material entered, new material code, enter it, and maintain a reason why we are changing this material code. So let's maintain the reason as click onto this radio box or radio button. We can make any reason: advertising campaign, customer material, internal article number, availability, promotion, likewise. I'll maintain this as promotional activity. Enter it and save it. So basically, we have maintained a material determination condition where transaction code will be 11. If I try to create an order VN01, order type OR, continue, we can take any customer, not for the specific customer. In listing and exclusion, we have seen certain specific customers, we have maintained certain condition records. But with this case, material determination, it's not a customer specific. If I try to maintain any random customer, 916, okay? If I try to maintain a material with this item reference, quantity 1, enter. Look, the system has popped up a new window maintaining the reasons. Substitution reason. Basically, for this material, there is a substitute, alternate material availability. Material what we have maintained, waveform. What system is proposing? The system is proposing this material is no more available. For this material, we have alternate or substitute material. Double click on this, or we can continue. Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So far, we have seen listing exclusion, material determination. With these areas, no doubts.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But listing and exclusion, we have transaction code VP01. For material determination, we have transaction code VP11 with condition type. I'll maintain the condition type. 8001 for listing and B002 for exclusions. For material determination, we have condition type 8001. Now, moving on to the, as you asked for free goods determination again. Free goods determination is nothing but if basically we are maintaining a condition record if a customer purchases certain quantity, that could be 2 quantity, 4 quantity, we are making some exclusive offers. Offers, that is, if a customer purchases a quantity of 5 pieces, the customer shall be able to get additional 2 pieces as free quantity. Additional 2 pieces. Now, how are we going to maintain this condition record into the system? We have transaction code, condition record, VP11, and condition type NA00. Let's maintain the, let's pick any material. Okay. Okay, let's consider this material. If anybody, no, sorry, this material, if some, we need to maintain the condition. If any customer purchases 5 pieces, additional quantity will be additional quantity 2 pieces free. Let's maintain the condition record. /n VP11, enter. Sorry, my bad. VPN1. Condition type VPN1. /n VP N1. Enter. Create free goods determination. Discount type, we are maintaining NA00, free goods. Double click on it. Enter. Sales function and material. We'll select this key. Continue. Let's maintain this material. If from minimum quantity 5 pieces, from 5 pieces, 2 pieces will be additional quantity. And I made a mistake. Okay, we need to click onto this exclusive offer. Let's try again. /n VP N1. Enter. Condition type NA00. Select the key combination. Sales function and material. Continue. This is the material. If any customer purchases quantity of 5 pieces, from 5, again, let's remove this. I'll click onto this exclusive offer. /n VPN1. Enter. Select the key. Continue. Click onto exclusive offer. Now we are into create free goods for exclusive material. Minimum quantity 5. From 5 quantity, 2 pieces shall be free. Enter. Each EA. Exclusive. Let's save the condition. Condition records for free goods saved. If I try to create an order for this material, order type OR, let's take 901 customer. This is the material. If I maintain order quantity as 3, enter, we can see the message the system gave us a information message or warning message. Click onto this. The system is showing minimum quantity. If you purchase 5 of free goods has not been reached. Means if you make minimum 5 quantity, then only we will be getting to this free goods. So if I enter, there won't be additional quantity. If I change the quantity to 6 pieces or 5 pieces, enter. Okay, here additional quantity has to be determined. Let me check quickly. /n SPRO. Open it, new application. OV, taking position, sales organization. P is 3. Okay. /n SPRO. MG reference. Sales and distribution. Basic functions. Groups. Condition technique for free groups. Field condition table, maintain access sequence. Activate free goods determination. CX01. Let's remove this. Let's this one also. Enter. Save it. Nation E01. Still same. Maintain pricing procedure. NA001. Double click. NA00. Condition types NA00. Access sequence NA00. Go back. Access sequence. Continue NA00. Okay. Sales function material. Okay. Select it. Double click on the fields. I01. Okay, guys, I will do one thing. Okay. As of now, try to practice with material determination and listing exclusion functionality. With regards to this pre-goods determination, I'll try to figure it out the root cause for this. Why this why this pre-goods determination is not being determined. Okay, I'll try to check this and I'll again explain this. Is this fine?
Yes, sir. No issues.
Okay. Sunita, would you like to ask any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for kind time. Have a nice day. Take care.
Thanks,
Bye.
sir.